You can find comfort in our folding futons, 74.8 inches by 35.4 inches by 5 inches. The best camping mattress you can own is at the tip of your finger with our foldable beds. Folding mattresses made of foam is a growing trend in the bed market, and we are here to bring you the latest trends. On top of being a comfortable resting place, our beds can give you a new focal point in your space. Removable decorative polyester fabrics we use are printed with the best gear and safest and most durable print quality possible. They can change the vibe of any room, dorms, children's room, bedroom, or spare guest room. It does not matter where you put it. It looks gorgeous on loft beds, bunk beds, or on your regular bed. Usage of the bed is really handy, thanks to the product's practical design. You can fold it with ease and put it away when you are not using it. Preparing a guest room has never been this easy. It is hassle-free and way comfier than pull-out couches. Your guests will love you even more. You can give them an authentic Japanese futon experience. Custom printed products are very popular right now, and home decor is mostly about following trends. With our gorgeous prints on our bed covers, we have got you covered. Covers are really easy to use. You can easily remove them, wash them, and cover them back. The print quality is the highest quality you can find on the market. If your house has a certain decorative theme, you can find a proper addition to it within our thousands of patterns. These products also make great gifts because they are stylish and there are so many pattern options to choose from. The digital images we display have the most accurate color possible, but due to differences in computer monitors, there might be slight color differences between the actual product and your screen. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Measurements: 74.8 inches by 35.4 inches by 5 inches. HR foam portable mattress and polyester fabric cover. Number 2. Made from high resilience foldable padding and 100% polyester removable cover with zipper closure. Number 3. Features: easy to fold padding and vivid print. Versatile lightweight furniture for dorms and homes. Number 4. Machine washable cover. Cold cycle, dryer safe, iron easy. With proper care, no fading, no tearing. Number 5. Compact, easy to store bed. Can be used for apartments, nurseries, basements, camps, and as a spare bed. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.